Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make harissa paste. Cue the music. Alright, thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you watching from whatever platform you enjoy this show on. Like I said, we're going to be making harissa paste. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got 1 cup of dried arbol chilies, small jar of roasted red peppers, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a little bit of kosher salt and pepper along the way. Let's drop down here and we'll start mixing it up. Alright, so we had the arbol chilies. I put water, hot boiling water over the top of them, and they've been sitting in that water. What we want to do is we want to get these to be soft enough, and then I'm gonna leave the chili seeds in there, but the stems, if there's stems on there, I'm gonna have to cut those off. But we're just gonna cover this back up. We got about 10 minutes yet to go, according to the directions. The recipe is down in the description box with the first pinned comment if you want to check this out. Well, we'll transition into starting this up again. Alright, so it's been about 10 more minutes to equal about half an hour. The chilies are soft now, so I am going to take them over here and drain them in the sink. I shall be right back. Alright, there we go. So now we get to have the fun part. I'm going to put these chilies, it says to de-seed and de-stem, but we're going to pulverize this so well that I don't really think that these little stems are going to matter much. So they'll be pulverized into this mixture, so I'm going to take the chilies and throw them right into our blender here. Then I'm going to throw lemon, squeeze that right in there. Got our garlic cloves, our peppers, our olive oil, a little salt and pepper, our tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, ketchup will work just fine. Coriander seeds, caraway seeds, paprika, cumin, and our cayenne pepper. Now let's give it a mix here. Sealed up well. Let's give her a mix. See what it looks like here. Ooh, smells fantastic. Oh, a little spicy too. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up a little bit longer, and then we're going to come back after these pictures and we're going to try it out. Don't go away. Some beautiful pictures. Now let's give this a taste. I can already tell it's going to be spicy because when I open it up to smell it, it was very, very good. And the funny thing is we didn't even put vinegar in it. It smells just like vinegar. So got a fry here. Sticks to the fry very well. Peppers are coming through really well. You can taste the cumin, you can taste the cayenne, you can taste the paprika. That coriander gives it a really nice blend of seasoning flavor. Got a bit of heat to it, but not too much. It comes afterwards. But yeah, this is really good. This is the basis for the sauce they use when they do shakshuka or eggs in hell. I might do a show like that one day, but it's a very good sauce. North African, Algeria, Morocco, kind of indigenous to that area. Good stuff. Remember, The recipe is down in the description box with the first pinned comment. And also, go check out my seasoning store at itsonlyfood.biz. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. See you again real soon.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.